I got a little crazy, decided that I wanted to incorporate this spring here that you see into the pond because it wasn't running until this winter, and then I found out that I've got all this water coming down, and so why not use that for the pond? I've also got one coming up through the berm right here. You kind of see it bubbling out, so it's about center of the berm right now. But it's a lot of water, and it's all moving down into the pond. So I thought, well, let's just make that happen, right? Let's put this water to good use. Well, like I said, I got a little crazy and decided to attempt something that I should not have done, but I did it. So here we are. I'm stuck. This is all clay, and it's very slurry, and so it didn't look like this yesterday really. So this thing's been stuck overnight, and then the great snow of 2021 down here in the south produced this mess. So I got to get this bad boy out. So I'm a single dad. I don't have really anybody to help, so I got to do it by myself. So I watched a ton of videos on YouTube and tried to figure out what I can do to make this happen. Couldn't find any real answers, so that's why I'm recording this. So what I've done, I put some logs under it, put rocks under it. I tried to get it out. It was way back there, so I got it to this far, which was good because it got most of the water out of where the engine area was, so that's positive. But anyway, what I've done is I've strapped it to this hold down here. And this is like a 3,000 or 30,000 pound rated strap as far as I know. And then I've hooked it around this base of the tree. The goal is I'm going to try to lift my bucket up and see if I can pull myself forward out of this hole using the tree and the strap as an anchor and a tow. Because I can't, or at least as far as I know, this ground's way too wet. I don't think I can get a tow truck back here. And those are all the videos I saw online were guys with tow trucks and other skid steers and Mini X's. So it's just not going to happen for me. I don't think I can get anything back here. And honestly, I'd really rather do it as cheap as I possibly can because I don't want this mistake to cost me a ton of money. So here we are, snow on the ground, probably the worst conditions possible, but I'm going to try to make this work. So here we go.